day in the life of Misha and
Trisha Grey.
So today we're going to be doing what we eat in a day. So see you in a bit. T's in the kitchen. Yo, T. Yo, T. She's making one squatty ass little mushroom for herself there, you know. Selfish, fam, selfish. There's a TV. There's a ladder. She asked me if I want one. Look at that little mushroom. Look at mushroom. Where's mine? Why do I not get no mushrooms?
There's none left.
What?
There's none left. You said that you were going to have avocado. You said you were going to have avocado, Misha.
Yeah. Alright, so let's go and look in the fridge to see what we've got there now. So I'm having an avocado on toast.
You're having a whole one. What about me?
There's avocado there. She always has to be involved, even if you listen to avocado eating. Like, why can't I just have an avocado on my own? Let's get cooking. Yeah, same.
We'll make sure it's up. Right, so I'm having to take my blood pressure tablets first, yeah? Or, Trisha.
You're dead! You're dead!
Trisha Caress. Not these here. And then, these are the vitamins I'm taking on a daily. Milk thistle is a must. Is that it? And alright, so Misha's going to go and do the breakfast. And I'm just going to sit here and look at you lot.
Oh. So,
What, you've been cutting on there before?
So, I hate it when you look at that. And the avocado looks nasty, fam. Looks nasty though still. But, we move. So,
You're going to spread that on your toast?
Huh?
You're going to spread that on your toast?
Okay, you can scoot that little bit out there. That little bit out there. And we get our bowl. This is how I like to have mine. I'm going to use this bowl because I don't know if we've discussed this before. Everyone knows.
Would you like me to move, Misha?
No, just stay there. It's great. This is great. Everyone knows already. You're always there.
What?
So,
Misha, I move.
Pardon?
I move.
So everyone knows already. No, stay there. Stay with us. So everyone knows. By the time I'm going to say everyone knows that I don't like the sound of. You made me put that bad bit in there.
Sorry.
The sound of scraping on plates. So I'm using my little plastic bowl. Right. Avocado bowl, yeah. And then gonna get my little hoodie thing. I'm just gonna mash it. Mash it up! Mash it up in there, please! But I like it a little bit, only smashed. I'm not going for guacamole here, do you know what I mean? You know what I mean, T?
What, so that you got that crunch in
Giving it. So I'm gonna put some pepper in there. And some pink Himalayan salt, not a lot. And then, my fave, some white truffle oil. It's actually olive oil flavoured with white truffle. So, it is the bomb. And just mix it up. Voila. And that is ready to go on my breakfast.
See, Misha's more look at that, how beautiful those look. I just plunked mine on the plate.
Yeah, that's a nice boulder.
I got mushroom.
Yeah, she got mushroom, the last one.
2 fried eggs, and I like my avocado just like this.
Look at this though. Ready? Look. Look at that.
Mine's like that, but I flip my toast.
Yeah, but this wouldn't be complete without some bullseye.
If you just have breakfast,
Chipotle sauce. Huh? It's ever so nice.
See, I'm not trying to look pretty, I'm just trying to eat my breakfast, you feel me? You hear that crunch? Watching.
Yeah, mine's so crunchy I can't even cut it.
Don't pick it up, it's on toast.
So, we'll see you in a bit. We may have lunch. Maybe dinner.
Probably dinner.
We'll see you in a bit then. Say nothing. First order of the day, we're going to take Josiah to school and then we're going to go shopping. It's just stressed, she's getting in the car, I think she's bad. Yeah. Your legs are ashy though, still.
Forgot about that bit.
Right then guys, so yeah. In the car. Both hands locked. Not touching the bone. Yes, we're going to take Josiah. He's sitting in the back there somewhere. He breaks his head up. Hold on, wait. Let's just adjust this. Now you're going to see she's an idiot.
Ring.
Josiah's in the back somewhere. He might poke his head around in a minute and you'll see him. Yeah, so we're going shopping. There's a squirrel.
You should just get my coat to get behind Ayla.
Honestly. Any time today would be great.
We'll get good now. How far is it from here?
Yeah, we know, the car's moving. You may vacate the car.
See you
later, Designer. Love you, bye. Have a good day. Go smash it. Go be the best you that you can be. Bit of motivational speech from my brother. You won't even look back. Look at it, he won't even wave. Look, station. Oh, look, it's just slid over to you, look.
Hi. Right, so, as you can see, it slid over to me.
I don't like you talk like this over the stage, man. You burp, fart, what you said, and everything. So funny.
Michelin!
What? An Adele tribute.
Oh, I'd love to go see that.
On me, that'd be brilliant.
Can you take a piss?
Go easy on me, baby.
Misha, shall we go?
Yeah.
Misha, it's on the 6th, we're not working, are we, that night?
I'm not, I don't know if I'm here.
Oh, yeah.
Go
I'm going to take Gemma. Oh, no, she's working.
Ease.
Fuck.
Look at her swearing. Girl.
All right, Mish, I get it.
See how quick she flips out? She's
Look at her, get on my nerves.
You got on my nerves. You got my nerves first. That's what she's singing.
I wonder if she's good.
Go easy on me, baby. See, that sounds like, wasn't it? Go.
I think I lied, didn't you? You have to take that fucker out.
Right, there we are.
Mish, why did I do that?
I didn't mean
Is
it.
it on?
This is a good start. So this it's been available since it's been available there, you know. I mean, it's been established since 1996. I don't know what I'm doing. I can't even park. Somebody help me. So we're here at Pack Foods in Burton. Yeah, and we're gonna go and have a look. See you inside. Inside now. I found some green plantain, but not the plantain that we actually. Is green plantain and yellow plantain the same? I don't think it is. We've got bear stuff. We're going to get bear stuff. Mum's bought 2 Scotch bonnets and some yam. That's it. See you. Got everything in here, guys.
Look.
Nourishment. Go on. So far, this is what we got.
Right then.
Yeah, it was. Right, guys. So I didn't really record any much more when we was in what's it? Pack Foods, yeah. Because I just got a bit distracted really with all the stuff that was in there, and we didn't really ask him if we could record either. So, but now we're heading to Morris's. I need to get some pimento seeds. Any of our subscribers out there, any of our fans, you know what I mean? Pimento seeds. Great. So I can't get none. This angle isn't great for me at all.
Let me show you beautiful in I'll tell you.
I never said I wasn't. I just said the angle was terrible.
What's the name?
Well, you acted like you know people. She always says that.
It is.
Yeah,
that's what I made our dumplings that time. What's her name?
She don't know her name. Yeah, what is her name?
Shit, I forgot.
Shock.
I hate her. With a pass. There's a reason why it looks like that at me. No?
To do what I want.
When I wanna.
No, it's wrong song, Tristan.
Oh, okay.
Why are you jabbing? You just stabbed me.
What, my elbow, you idiot?
Yeah, well, it's about you know with your nail.
Oh, Mish, anyway, let's just sit in silence. Come and put some music on. See, if you'd brought the iPad, we could have had music on. Jealous, hey!
Jealous. Hey. Why are you so dramatic and extra all the time? Yeah. Right, guys. So I know I said I was going to film it in Morrison's and in distance, but we didn't. So it's just a little food haul of where we've been today. Well, what we've got today. Sorry, not where we've been because I ain't got Tesco's here. So went to Pack Foods. We keep saying we want to try fufu, so we've got some plantain fufu. I don't know, like, if it's what the difference is. Cause I know that I think it's made with like a cassava or something. Yeah. Why are you sitting there smiling like you're on the QVC channel, idiot? So we're gonna try some fufu at some point. Also, I got some jollof cooking sauce, so we're gonna give that a go as well. Africa's finest. Obviously, I got myself some Miranda because, you know, I think I call it Miranda as well in the show. Some special chicken fry mix. And I do believe this is a Jamaican one. But that's fine, but I'm going to make my own. Also, I got...
And then we've got these as well. These are Monica's. That is a soul food. Look at these, look at all these flavours.
Shout out to Monica.
This is a shout out to my beautiful girl Monica. Yes!
I mean, I've got the original one as well.
We've got the original, yeah.
And what I'll do as well is I'll put a link in the description for you to go and get yours.
Yes.
Don't miss out.
I'm sure you can order online, Mish, as well.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So, you know when I put a link in the description. So this is the seasoned curry blend, the seasoned jerk hot, and the seasoned jerk mild as well. So I'm going to put them right there. A bit of product placement for you on again, how's that?
We've got this big old yam.
In it.
I hope it's good because it looks like it's got a few holes in it, look. But anyway, we'll have a look because you cut out the bad bit, didn't it? Yeah?
And I got a new kitchen toy.
Oh, every day.
And 2 Scotch bonnets.
And Misha is also going to make... Where's the carrots at? Oh, there. Right, so Misha's going to make a Jamaican coleslaw.
Oh my God, it's gone west.
Oh my God.
My name is Misha, and this is my mum. We are black for the eyes, saying we're gonna be eating what we eating. Jamaica fried chicken. One sister. See in a bit. Say, mind you.
We are back. No filters, no faces, no filters, no faces.
Today we've got Jamaican fried chicken,
Why have you got everything on your side?
Jamaican coleslaw,
Making gravy as well.
and rice.
Right, you're gonna make everything's over your side. I bet you've been really selfish.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Here, boy. Is there anything I make it over?
I couldn't wait.
You're not gonna eat all of that.
Yeah.
Bet you don't.
Watch me.
Oh.
Absolutely fucking skiddelicious. I just made that all up, you know. I think.
Chicken's juicy, man.
No. Oh my God. I'm sorry folks, but it is going to be a finger of food eat today for me.
Why is it? Is that nice?
You didn't need that sauce, man.
What sauce?
That.
Yeah, Bob. I'll just. Oh, that's the name. Same.
That is hot as hell. Misha's going to do a shout out for Celeste.
No, I'm not.
Hang on.
Not like that. Not like this. We'll do them separately. You know, like you done one for Monica earlier. I'm going to put them in the videos.
Okay.
So, I'll leave it on that.
You can
So, yeah. Wait a minute, let's move in my mouth. We've been talking a lot lately about, like, friendships and jealousy and all that kind of thing. So, obviously, I want to talk about you guys. Say, Mum. When you stop eating chicken, which...
I'm just saying, like, why is it that when I'm eating chicken like this and you're jealous? I'm a joke.
That's putting my Danny wrong, guys, sorry. Cut you up, Mum, but yeah.
You know, the friends who you had for years, people that you know for years, don't support you. What the hell is that? And this is why me and Misha wrote the song Jealous, Jealous, Jealous. We don't understand it. We do not understand why people who say that you're friends and don't support you. I don't get it.
It's not just that, is it?
That's all I've got to say that. And that. It's not just what we're doing, it's just through life. People will hate on you because you've got like a pretty dress on, or you've got them shoes, them designer shoes, or even if you've got to choose something Primark, people are jealous on you because of that reason. You know what I mean? It's like, why? I need somebody tell me why.
Yeah, but do you know what then? It's not just that neither. Like, sometimes it's a case of, like, you're doing everything, you're building yourself up, you're trying to get yourself somewhere, yeah? To get yourself to that place, right? No one wants to know, no one's there supporting, And then, but once you're there, everyone's like, oh my god.
Yeah, I know that person.
Like, what? If you weren't like with me
Through the journey,
like, and your support wasn't there, don't come to me now.
No.
And it's just like, I'm not just talking about
It's not necessarily just your friends, but it's people that
no,
you know.
because it doesn't really work like that, does it?
No.
Because if it's just people that you know, then they're only going to see it when you're there.
Yeah.
They're not going to know about the journey.
Yeah.
Whereas your friends do know about the journey,
Yeah,
so it's not
yeah.
about people that you know.
Mm. It can be as well, that means.
No, but what I'm saying, people that you know, yes, within the jealousy thing. Well, everyone wants to know you when you're doing well.
Yeah.
But no one wants to know you for the struggle. You don't know how to get there, do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, like, the thing is, all of us, what we're trying to do in life, it's just getting ridiculous now. All this hatred or jealousy or, you know, whatever, it's pathetic. You know what I mean? Why are people doing that? I don't get it. It's just like, just stop, man. Stop. But no matter what you do, you will never ever bring us down. No, never. If it takes me and Misha 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, we're going to do it.
But not only that, right? Another thing about people, you can do 1,000 things right, one thing wrong. They'll never let you forget that. They won't praise you for all the things that you did right, but they'll praise you. But then, as soon as you've done that one thing wrong, they'll just sit there on you. Look at that. Oh no, it's
Beautiful, isn't it? You did that, Mish.
I mean.
Yeah, but it's not even that, Mish. Like, you can go out and look absolutely stunning, yeah? One hair out of place, or one strand of hair out of place, they're going to find that one strand of hair.
Oh, they're back there. Oh yeah, you look good, but yeah. Your eyelash is hanging off.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, anything like that is pathetic. You know what I mean? In life, what we should be doing is bringing each other up. You know what I mean? Do you not think there's so much bloody hatred, discord, everything that's wrong in this world? We should make it making it right, not doing what we're doing. We're causing more divide, more strife, more anger, all that shit that needs to be put aside now, yeah?
Yeah.
And that's it. But on a jolly note, my book is doing really well, isn't it, Misha? We're doing well. You know, I am black. Oh, my husband just walked past and he just said, Misha, with the dinner. Did you say, did you?
Good.
Look, I've had 3 pieces. This is my 3rd piece, Misha. That's ridiculous. You know what I mean? But yeah, you know what I mean? So we're going to carry on doing what we're doing. And guess what? We are loving life.
It's alright.
It's like, oh look, I've got to admit, it's like friends. You know what you woke up with, you want to come back in your life. No. You would try to destroy it, you don't come back. Sorry.
Yeah, that's one thing I never understand.
Yeah, but why do they want to? Why do people want to?
I don't know. What the culture.
And another thing, oh God, things just keep popping in my head. You know, when you have a conversation with somebody, you don't always believe what that person said, because you know what I mean, that could have caused so much heartache.
It's not just that though. People need to take into consideration that what about
All the other things.
the way things are being said? Do you
Mm.
know what I mean? Because it's not always about the conversation. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Do
but
you know what I'm trying to say? So I can say to you, Oh my god. Oh my god, do you see Trish? See that dress she had on? Wow. Like, da-da-da-da. Excuse me. The way my voice was positive. But they'll be like, oh, yeah, when they seen the other day, they was like, oh my god, do you see, excuse me, do you see Trish in that dress she had on? So what? And it's like, do you know what I mean?
So do you think like it could be, just from the tone, that could turn everything into what it wasn't, basically?
The tone, excuse me, has done in the past.
Yeah.
Of course it is. Because I'm very much like, I like to know how we got to a certain point. Do you know what I mean? Like, I like to work out. Do you know what I'm saying? And that's why you say I've never done an argument, because I like to, I'll go over everything. And if something's said in a certain time, it's completely different. Of course. That's why we shout and all that kind of stuff, because I can shout. You can, like, I love you, for example.
Yeah.
You can shout it, you can say it, or no matter how you say it, so I could say it, just I love you. That's just like in a general way, but you can shout it, like, I love you! Then it could be saying that someone who's left you, hurt you, you just killed them. Do you know what I mean? Like,
everything that, you know, like what people, it depends how you say it, but it is gets misconstrued, doesn't it? You know what I mean? It's just, you know what I mean? But like, the thing is, if you know us as people, as we are our person, you know that there's nothing bitter about us at all. Is there?
sometimes.
No, there isn't, sure.
For me, it is.
For maybe, but not for me.
I just don't like people.
Yeah, you do, mate, shit. I mean, and people love you too. You know what I mean? And that's another thing that people hate, because we generate happiness. People don't like that shit, do they?
No.
But it doesn't matter, because it is what it is. Right?
People,
We just want to come on here.
they're not see other people doing well.
Or happy, either. You know what I mean? But I think it doesn't matter what, like I say, what you do, also, it's not going to stop us at all.
Our belief in ourselves
We're strong enough for anything, in there.
will push us.
Yeah, forward.
Will push it. Can you let me finish?
Sorry, darling.
No, it's me to send this is Our belief in ourselves will push us, will keep us going, and keep pushing us further than the validation from other people.
Yeah.
I don't need other validation. Yeah, okay, there's support, as in like.
Of course, everybody needs that, don't they?
But if you don't, I'm not gonna beg you for nothing. Do you, be rude?
That's it.
Don't worry like that. I'm not gonna
No.
beg.
No. You know what I mean? So, if people...
Pardon?
Excuse me. If people haven't upset you, can I help you, Kat? What do you want? Okay. Right, if people... If people are the way they are, ignore it. Ignore it. Get on with your life, strive, do what you got to do, and that's it, because that's what we're doing. I mean, we'll come and talk about that subject today. And we've filled it, I think, what we mean.
On another note, open to the food. The recipe for the chicken is a mixture from another YouTuber called Jareen. Jareen's Kitchen, I think, for pages. And I just put a few little bits in there. So that Monica, you seasoned at your all purpose, it was in there. Sweet, yeah, sweet. The link in the description below will be the link. Will be the link to. There won't be a link to nothing. Anything you want to see us try, anything you want to see us eat, drop us a note in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell so you get a notification every time we drop a new video. Also, the link to our TikTok will be in the description, and the link for Monica Seasoned, that will also be in the description, and the link for Jareen's Kitchen for the chicken recipe will also be in the description. So yeah, and I think we've covered it all. Do you reckon we've covered it all?
Yeah, I reckon.
Yeah, but like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe, and then allow everybody else that I've just mentioned like and subscribe.
Yeah, that'd be fantastic if you did. So we're going to say, hiya.
See ya.
Bye. Mwah.
What do you want? What? No, you want to say right on me,
You got really excited about your No, so no, give her one more. But why not make sure?
I love the